Groci AI has just been released, and if you're curious about what this software can actually do, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know about Groci AI, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of why this might just be the next big thing in AI software. Stick around, because I'm also going to show you how you can try it out completely free through the first link in the description. So, what exactly is Groci AI? It's a tool designed to streamline various digital marketing processes, from automation to personalized content generation. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator, Groci AI can be a game changer. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into the details. First, Groci AI is exceptionally user-friendly. If you've used other AI tools in the past, you'll notice that Groci stands out because it doesn't have a steep learning curve. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for anyone, regardless of experience, to dive right in. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of it. Second, Groci AI offers an incredible range of features, but the standout is its ability to generate highly customized content. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media captions, or even email sequences, Groci AI can analyze your niche, target audience, and current trends to create content that speaks directly to your customers. It's not just about automation, it's about smart, tailored content that resonates. Third, what really sets Groci AI apart is its automation capabilities. From scheduling posts to tracking engagement, Groci AI doesn't just create content, it helps manage your entire digital presence. This means you can focus on higher level strategy, while Groci takes care of the repetitive tasks. If you're in digital marketing, you'll know how much time this can save. The fourth thing you need to know is that Groci AI integrates seamlessly with most major platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and all social media channels. This kind of integration is key for streamlining your workflow. Whether you're managing an e-commerce site, a blog, or a brand's social media presence, Groci AI can slot right into your existing setup without hassle. The fifth feature worth mentioning is Groci AI's ability to optimize for SEO. It can generate SEO-friendly content that ranks, which is a huge bonus for anyone in the content marketing space. Not only does it save you time, but it also ensures that you're reaching your target audience effectively. Another impressive aspect is Groci AI's reporting and analytics. The software gives you a clear breakdown of how your content is performing. From traffic insights to engagement rates, Groci AI allows you to fine-tune your strategies, ensuring you're always making data-driven decisions. Lastly, I want to point out that Groci AI is backed by a robust support team. As new as the software is, the developers are committed to providing ongoing updates and support. Whether you need help with integration or want to learn about new features, the Groci support team is responsive and ready to assist. So, those are 7 crucial things you need to know about Groci AI. It's simple, powerful, and designed to make your life easier, whether you're in marketing, content creation, or e-commerce. And if you want to try it out for yourself, make sure to click the link in the description to get started with a free trial. After trying thousands of AI tools, Groci AI has definitely earned its place among my top recommendations for boosting digital marketing efforts. As always, I've got links to my recommended AI tools in the description below. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're subscribed for more software reviews that help you grow your business with the best tools out there.